InstallCheck is free diagnostic software that checks the environment of a computer running Sage 300, including network paths, required runtimes, Sage 300 modules, and third-party modules for Sage 300. TaiRox Software wrote InstallCheck because we needed a program to check Sage 300 environments for issues and conflicts. InstallCheck can be brought from computer to computer on a memory stick. It displays color-coded successful and failed tests. It checks that path directories exist and are accessible, checks that all Sage 300 folders are in place, checks for changes to the Roto file that may affect upgrades, checks SQL Server drivers for compatibility, and it provides clickable links to many Sage 300 files and directories. Let's have a look. First, we'll download InstallCheck from the TaiRox website. Click the link for the product distribution file, save the download, then copy it to the Sage 300 server if not already there. Extract the zip file, right-click the InstallCheck exe file, and select Run as Administrator if necessary. InstallCheck is provided as an executable file that leaves no footprint in the Sage 300 environment. It is not installed, it does not change the Windows registry, and it does not require a license key. Accept the license agreement for InstallCheck. You can click the Check for Problems and Document the Environment buttons to view potential issues and get a snapshot of your Sage 300 environment. Pay particular attention to any red messages. I'll click Document the Environment. The program lists Sage 300 client, user, and server information, version information for all Sage 300 and third-party products, path variables, and system information at the end of the listing. All good paths are displayed in green. Clickable links appear in blue, and failures appear in red. Click the Print button to save the log results to a PDF file, or use the Copy to Clipboard button to paste results in a file. For convenience, access is also provided to the standard Sage 300 utility that registers all Sage 300 controls, regac, and that scan ISAM files, scan ISAM. For more information about TaiRox applications for Sage 300, please visit TaiRox.com.